Welcome to my channel DKR Maths Academy. In this video I am going to explain real numbers. Exercise number 1.1, question number 2 and 3. This is very useful for APTS 10th class students. Like, share and subscribe. Koteswara Dhara. Question number 2. Use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd numbers, any positive odd integers is of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integers. So let's start. Let be a positive integers, and then the equation is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 5. So b is 6, b equal to 6. So then by Euclid's division lemma equation, what a is equal to bq plus r. This is the Euclid division lemma. A equal to bq plus r. So remainder is 0 less than r or less than 6. So remainder is r equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the possible remainders when we divide positive integers by the 6. That's all. So r equal to 0, then a equal to b, what? 6. 6q, right, as usual, plus r, how much? r 0. So a equal to 6q. Next, r equal to 1. Then a equal to 6q plus q, 6q, right, as usual, plus r, how much? 1 plus 1. Next, r equal to 2, then a equal to bq, b means 6, 6q, right, as usual, r means 2. Next, r equal to 3, then a equal to 6q, 6q, right, as usual, plus r, what? 3. Next, r equal to 4, then a equal to 6q plus r, 4. Next, r equal to 5, then a equal to 6q plus r means 5. In this problem, what did he ask? So that any positive odd integers. So in this case, odd integers equal 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 3, 5. These are the odd integers. So we will write in these equations, which are we get 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are the odd integers, hence proved. Question number 3. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p, 3p plus 1. This question, read carefully. Use Euclid division lemma to show that any square of any positive integer is of the form of 3p comma 3p plus 1. Relation. Let be any positive integers and b equal to 6. So by Euclid's division lemma, the Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r, or 0 or less than or equal to r less than or equal to b. In that equations, the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. These are the possible remainders in that case. So we take r equal to 0, then the equation is a equal to bq plus r. A means a, b means what? 3. b into 3, 3 into q write as usual, r 0. That's equal to a equal to 3q. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That means a square equal to 3q whole square. That's equal to a square equal to 3 square 9q square. So I am taking 3 common here. A square equal to 3 into 3q square. I am taking 3 common here. I am writing here 3 into 3q square. Then a square equal to 3 into q square. I take p. So a square equal to 3p. What did he ask us? Show that square of any positive integers in the form of 3p. So it is in the form of 3p. Okay, next. This is case 1. Case 2. Next. Case 2. R equal to 1. First R equal to 0. Case 1. Next R equal to 1. Then the equation is a equal to bq plus r. That means a equal to b. How much? 3. B how much? 3. Write here 3. Q write as usual. R equal to 1. So this is the a equal to 3q plus 1. Next squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What? A square equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides. So that means a plus b whole square what? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write as like that. A square equal to 3q means a. 3q whole square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square. Plus 1 square. A square equal to 3q whole square 9q square plus 2 into 3 into 1 6q plus 1 square 1. I have taken 3 common in this equation. A square equal to, I have taken 3 common. 3 into common 9q, that's equal to 3q. That means 3 into 3q equal to 9q plus 3 common here 2q. That means 3 into 2 equal to 6. That's equal to plus 1. 3q plus 2q equal to, I have taken p plus 1, where p equal to p equal to 3q plus 2q. So from 1 and 2 equations, we can say the square of any positive integers is in the form of the 3p, 3p plus 1. Hence proved. From 1 and 2 equations, this is 2. This is 1. This is 1. This from 1 and 2 equations, the square of any positive integers is in the form of 3p plus 3p plus 1. Hence proved. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.